Hello and welcome all my dear second standard kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good, you all are fine, you all are enjoying the studies, online studies, and you are watching all the lectures regularly. So my dear little champs, before I start anything, let me just give you one reminder. I hope that you all are sending your work to the follow-up teachers regularly, and I also hope that you are just sending whatever you are writing in the lecture to my WhatsApp number, because I have always asked you to send whatever we are doing in the lecture. For example, if we are reading the lesson and we are writing the hard words, I have always asked you to send it to me personally in my WhatsApp number, and then whatever homework I will give you in your WhatsApp group, that is what you have to send it to your follow-up teachers. So this is what many students were having queries in. That is the reason why I cleared this in this lecture, so that whoever were having this query, the same query, now I hope that it might have been solved. So welcome all of you once again in English lecture. I am Rohan sir from Mehdi English Medium School. So let us start with whatever we were doing. So what are we going to do today is we are going to start with a new lesson, lesson number 7, explanation part. Yes, you heard it correctly, explanation part, because hard words were already given in the previous lecture. So I hope that you have done that, and that is the reason why I gave you the reminder for the hard words and the revision work. So my dear little champs, let's get started. Let us understand this lesson number 7, Kim's Hungry Pet. I hope that you at least read this lesson once. If not, please make sure that whenever I ask you to read it, read that particular lesson or poem, because reading will improve your reading skills, your vocabulary skills, and your understanding, interpretation skills. So now I am going to display the textbook. Before that, I will give you time to take out your rough book and textbook, so that whenever I ask you to read or write something, you will be having both the books with you. So please keep both the books, rough book and textbook, with you. Textbook page number 58 you will have to open chapter 7. I will wait for a while for you to get ready with both of these books. In today's lecture, we will understand what Kim is a name of girl, and what she has written in her diary. This full lesson is on what has she written in her diary regarding her pet. Now you know that Kim has a pet goat. She has a goat as a pet. How cute is a goat, isn't it so? I know that many of you might have kept the goat at your house, or many of you have seen the goat, animal goat. So goat is a domestic animal. We can keep goat as our pet. Just like we keep dog and cat as a pet, we can also keep goat. So let us see what the story is, and why in the heading is it written that Kim's hungry pet. So I hope now you are ready with your books. I am going to display the textbook page on the screen for those who are not having the textbook. So my dear students, this is your textbook, chapter number 7, World of Pets, Kim's Hungry Pet. So let us understand this chapter now. While understanding, you have to just fold your hands. If possible, attach the earplugs, earphones or headphones with whatever device you are having, and listen to me, my explanation, and understand the lesson very precisely. Let's get started. And here the warm-up exercise we have already done. We are not going to just take the time to again solve it. So directly we are going to start with the diary part, reading part of this lesson. So the lesson starts with the diary Saturday. on Saturday what Kim has written. Obviously, date is nowhere mentioned. So, we are not going to understand in detail about the date or on which year she has written. You should just know that Kim is a name of girl and pet is the goat she has. And she writes everything in the diary. Now, what has she written in the diary regarding her pet? What the story is? Let us understand. Saturday. Dear diary, I got a goat today. Everyone says she is kind of strange looking. I think she is beautiful. I am going to name her Happy. She is going to stay out in the field during the day. At night, I will bring her into the barn. She is very small, but I think she is quite strong. Kim. Okay, so this is the thing what she has written in her diary on the day of Saturday. What has she written? She has written that she got a goat. That means on the road, when she was walking on the road, she got a goat wandering around. So she decided to keep that goat with her. Now, in real life also, goat is very cute looking, isn't it so? So, my dear students, this is the real picture of goat. See how cute the goat is. Don't you think so? Now, Kim gave her the name. Now, you might be knowing, students, that wherever or whenever you have the pet animal, whether it is a cat, a dog or a goat or even a horse, you always give them the name, right? And you also give them the training that whenever you call out that particular name, they will look at you. So, basically you will give them the training to recognize their name. Similarly, Kim, after she brought this goat at her place, at her home, she gave her the name. What name did she give? She gave this name Happy. Now, Happy is the name of Kim's goat. Just you have to remember this, students, because in the rest of the diary pages, in the rest of the days, whenever she will write in her diary, she will not write goat, she will write Happy. Happy is the name of her goat. Now, this is what you will have to remember. So, like as it is written that I am going to give the name her Happy. She is going to stay out in the field during the day. So, now Kim says that during the day means in the daytime the goat will remain in the fields, in the farm. Yes, and at the night Kim says that she will take her in the barn. Now, what is barn? Barn is a type of a large building to keep the animals it is used. So, Kim says that whole day the goat Happy will remain in the farm, in the fields, run and play here and there, but at night she will keep her in the barn. So, my dear students, I hope you all can see this picture. This is the picture of barn, how the goat or other animals are fed here, they stay here. So, this is the inner area. I have taken this picture from the internet just to show you one example what barn looks like. So, somewhere here also Kim was deciding to keep her goat Happy at night. So, this is what the Kim decided on Saturday when she brought Happy, that is her goat, at her place. Now, let us see what has Kim written on Sunday in her diary. So, Sunday. Dear diary, I spent most of the day showing Happy around the farm. It was easy. She followed me everywhere. She even tried to come into the house for dinner. I fed her an apple and she stayed at the entrance making goat sounds. Then she ate the flowers in the yard, and a card that I had in my pocket is missing. I noticed that it was gone after the Happy poked her nose into my coat. Kim. Now here Kim shares few things on Sunday what she did with her pet Happy. So let us understand what she shares. Now Kim says that she spent most of the day showing Happy her farm, her fields, and further Kim says that it was not hard to handle a goat. Kim says that wherever she was walking, goat was following her everywhere. Moreover, not only in the farm but also when Kim entered the house to have her dinner, goat also tried to enter the house. But Kim kept her outside on the entrance of the house. Further, Kim says that she gave her an apple to eat. So, do you think, students, a goat eating an apple? Obviously, this doesn't suit to the goat. So, let us see what further she did. She says that then she ate the flowers in the yard. Can you see? The goat is eating the flower. So, this is what Happy did. Happy means her goat did. And a card that I had in my pocket is missing. Now Kim says that not only the flowers, but now when I put my hands in my coat, I can not see the card which was there inside my pocket. And further, then Kim remembers, okay, in the afternoon time, her pet Happy was poking her nose, her mouth inside the pocket. She might have eaten this card. This is what Kim realizes afterwards. So here she says that I noticed that it was gone after Happy poked her nose into my coat. So after Happy poked, that means just kept her nose inside Kim's pocket, then the card vanished. That means obviously no one else but the goat ate this card. So this is what Kim talks to diary and writes into the diary on Sunday. On the next page, let us see what Kim has written on Monday in her diary. I hope, my dear students, that you understood what Kim has written in her diary on the day of Saturday and Sunday. So now let us see what has she written on Monday. Dear diary, I stayed in the barn last night with Happy. So Kim says that she was sleeping with her goat Happy last night in the barn. She seemed a bit lonely because Kim thought that by looking at the face of Happy, she thought that she is feeling very lonely, very alone. I fed her carrots and hay. Further, Kim says that she gave her carrot and hay to eat. Hay is a dry grass and nothing else. She liked the hay. I am not sure about the carrots. Now further, Kim is saying that Happy liked to eat hay very much, but she is not sure whether Happy liked the carrot or not. Obviously, students, what do you think? Goat will like carrot? No. They are very much famous to eat the grass. Not only they, but the cow and buffalo and all the cattle are very much famous for grazing the grass. So obviously Happy was also a goat, so she was also going to like grass very much. Today after school, my friend Jane came over. Now the Kim says that today after she came from the school, Kim's friend Jane, so the Jane is the name of a girl who is friend of Kim. So Jane also came at Kim's house. Now what do you think, students? Why Jane came to Kim's house, obviously to meet the pet. So Jane fed her a handful of grass. Happy really likes to eat. She also nibbled on Jane's shoelace and chewed a hole in one of her mittens. So here is, my dear students, the picture of Jane, friend of Kim, sitting with Happy goat. So here the Kim says that Jane fed her the grass. Obviously Happy liked to eat grass very much. So further Kim says that Happy always likes to eat some or the other thing. So Kim says that Happy really likes to eat. She also nibbled on the Jane's shoelaces. That means she tried to eat small bite shoelaces, also the gloves Jane was wearing in her hands. So this is what Kim has written in her diary on Monday. Now let us see what has she written on Tuesday. Tuesday. Dear diary, I did my homework in the barn to spend time with Happy. I read it to her and she seemed to like it. But I had to sleep in the house because I had all sorts of bug bites on me from sleeping in the barn. Goats are hard work. Kim. Now here on Tuesday, Kim has written that she had done all her homework with Happy in the barn. So students, one question to you all. When any sir or teacher gives you the homework, where do you complete it? Obviously either in your room or in the hall on the table, somewhere here. Do you take your homework in the garden and do? Obviously not. Mostly you don't do that. But Kim has done such thing. She was doing her homework in the barn with her pet goat Happy. She also said that after completing the homework, she read this homework, whatever she has written, to her pet Happy. Now students, just imagine, will a goat understand English? Obviously not. But Kim, after writing her homework, she was reading in front of Happy just to entertain Happy there. Then Kim said that after completing the homework, she was not sleeping in the barn like the previous night, as she said that by sleeping previous night in the barn, all the bug bites and everything was there on her skin, which she felt was not convenient for her even on the second night. So she said that after completing the homework, spending some time with Happy, she went inside the house to sleep tonight. So now let us see how far the story goes. So at last Kim says that goats are really hard work. Why does she say so? Because Kim was not able to sleep in the barn because the bug and insect, but Happy was very easily able to sleep there. Now one question is there, students. Do you think Kim took her homework to the school? Read her mother's diary note for her teacher. Now here one sentence is written, one question in fact is written, students, for you. Do you think, students, that Kim was able to take her homework to the school? Why such question is asked? Just think about this question. Why this question is asked? Do you think that Kim took her homework? We know that Kim completed her homework in the barn. But do you think she took her homework to the school? Now here is her mother's diary. Whose mother's diary? Kim's mother's diary. So Kim's mother has written this diary to Kim's teacher. Let us see why has she written to the teacher. Wednesday. So on Tuesday, Kim completed her homework and went for the sleep inside her house. Now let us see why Kim's mother has written the diary to her teacher on Wednesday. Dear Miss Granger. So the name of the teacher of Kim was Miss Granger. Dear Mr. Granger, Kim does not have her homework today. Her goat ate it last night. She will submit it tomorrow. Sincerely, Carol Gray, Kim's mom. So here her mother has written sorry letter, sorry note, because as Kim was doing her homework in the barn, she forgot this book in the barn only, and she went for the sleep inside the house. So when she went inside the house, what did Kim's pet do? The goat ate entire book and all the pages of the book. And in the morning, when Kim was searching for the book, she realized that she kept that book in the barn. And further, when she was searching for the book, she realized that book is not there. Obviously, goat ate the book. And that is why the name of the lesson is Kim's hungry pet. That means pet did not even spare her book to be eaten. She eats whatever is given to her. That is why she is known as hungry pet. So at last her mother writes the sorry note. She apologized to the teacher. She says sorry because my daughter Kim is not able to submit the homework today as her pet Happy ate all her homework she has done. So she will submit it tomorrow. So students, this also might have happened to you. Obviously, I am not saying that your homework was eaten by any animal. But many a times you also give the reason to the teachers that teacher, my small brother or elder brother or sister has torn the pages and this and that. So this happens in every house. So here the story ends, and now I hope you know why the title is given Kim's Hungry Pet. Now let us solve few MCQ which are there, which are very much interesting if you have understood the lesson. Color the correct circle. We are going to just tick the correct circle and that's it. Let us read it, understand it and solve it. I hope you too are holding the pencil with you. On page number 61, you have to just tick the correct option. Number 1. Kim talks about her pet goat to her mother, diary or teacher. So for the first time, with whom does the Kim talks about her pet goat she got on the road? With her mother, with her diary or with her teacher? On the first day, to whom Kim told that she got a goat? Please tick the correct answer. The correct answer is diary. Next one. Kim names her pet goat. Options are Happy, Granger or Carol. Obviously not Granger. Granger is the name of her teacher. Carol is the name of her mother. So the remaining option is Happy, and yes, the name of her pet goat was Happy. Number 3. The goat ate flowers in the options are house, yard or park. So from where did she ate the flowers? Obviously from the yard. I hope students you are also tick marking the correct answers, so that whenever I ask you to write it down in your fair book, you will be having the answers with you. Obviously also I have sent you the PDF file of the same chapter. Make sure if you want to write the questions properly, if you are unable to complete it in the live lectures, you can further see the PDF file in your group and write the questions. Number 4. The goat chewed a hole in Jane's. Options are coat, sock or mittens. So the correct answer is mittens, which is hand gloves. And the last one, Kim did her homework in the desk. House, barn or garden. So students, remember the climax of the story. Kim did her homework and forgot it where, and so because of which goat ate it and Kim was unable to submit the homework. So she did her homework in the barn. So these are the correct answers. I hope that you also were marking the correct answer. This is the end of today's lecture. So my dear students, thank you for watching this lecture, and I hope that you will follow all the lectures very regularly like good children. So make sure you also send your work to the follow-up teachers regularly. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.